splash to make you all wet. Dear sister, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Dear brother, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Let's float in the water, float, float, float. Float, 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 float. Let's float in the water, float, 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 on a bright sunny day. Let's dive in the water, dive, 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 dive. Let's dive in the water, dive, 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 to find the dollar coin. Dear baby, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Swimming in the water is lots of fun. Lots of fun, lots of fun. Swimming in the water is lots of fun on a sunny day.
Hi kids! We hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you!